Hello, I'm Peter. Welcome to RPR 626. We basically got here our 95 model 993 Carrera 2 RS lookalike, copy, homage, whatever you want to call them. Basically 272 model 6-speed manual car, finished in polar silver metallic, full RSR body kit. It's got lightweight trim fitted, lightweight door cards, RS steering wheel, gear knob. It's got full KW suspension kit, replica wheels, new Mitchies all round. It's got a Limmy slip diff fitted. And it's been remapped by Schofield, Chipwizards, up to 305 brake horse, so equivalent kind of power to a genuine RS. Polar silver was an RS colour, as the one in the background, it's that colour. Done 110,000 miles, got nice history, and it's only a 6 previous owner car. So for a 993, not killed, scuttles and all that, still nice and sharp. It's got a few marks, etc, etc. It's an old car, it's not brand new. Original sticker still there. Thanks for looking. Thank you.